I will always remember the first time I saw you. You were the most beautiful thing I had ever seen. I knew from that moment on that you were going to be the one for me. These last 4 years have been the most stressful and intense, crazy, challenging 4 years I've ever had in my life. But they've also been the most beautiful and amazing, and that's because of you.
Spent 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and play me close. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. I spend
You are the happiest I have ever seen you, and it makes me so, so, so happy as your big sister, okay? You have always been so kind-hearted, loving, giving, and of course, very beautiful. But we can't keep telling her she's beautiful, you guys. Her ego is gonna be like, When I went off to college, I wrote Molly a letter to be a strong woman, to be proud of herself, and to be her true self, to never let anybody put her down. And I'm very proud tonight to see that you have become a fantastic woman and the woman that you were meant to become.
me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you taking my shit for the last time.
Grant,
Yeah.
it might not always seem like it, but your brothers appreciate you a lot more than you think. I appreciate you finally cutting the grass last week for the first time in years. But in all seriousness, thanks for being able to spend time with your brothers. It means a lot to us. Grant, we look up to you, even though you're shorter than us. So thanks for always taking care of us and looking out for us when we need it. So good luck, guys. I'll always be here if you guys need me. And I can't wait to live in your guys' basement.
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. And there goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my hand shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding, and I need you now.
These last 4 years with you have gone by so fast, but they truly have been the best years of my entire life. So there's so much laughter and happiness. With you, the sun shines a little brighter, the skies are a little bluer. And don't get me wrong, when the rain pours, it really does pour. But I wouldn't have it any other way.
Words cannot describe how beautiful you look today or any day. Just knowing that I get to spend the rest of my life with you makes me feel like I've already succeeded. So, I vow to always adore you, to be there for you and to support you, to cherish you, to be your backbone and motivation. And I vow to love you always. Molly, I give you this ring.
Grant, I give you this ring
To wear with love and joy,
as the ring has no end.
Neither shall my love for you. I choose you to be my wife.
I choose you to be my husband,
This day and forevermore.
'Cause I need you to see that you are the reason. Say, hey now, baby. Oh, mama, don't play now, baby. Say, hey now, baby. So let's get one thing straight now, baby. Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. At the house on you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not? You gotta tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. Been wishing for you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not?
I've known Grant his whole life. He's my nephew, but he's more like a little brother to me. Over the last few years, Molly and Grant have become quite the power couple, like Beyonce and Jay-Z. People envy their love and their bond together. My last words for you two will be to be patient with one another, to communicate to each other, to sacrifice and love, and to be loyal to each other. Marriage is a partnership of two teammates who must put each other's own needs for the good of a union of togetherness. I'm proud of both of you. I love both of you and will always be here for you guys.
Mars, where the ceiling is. This energy turns nights into memory. Kinda all summer. Ex didn't know what he had with a bummer. Insecure people turn to insecure lovers. But my drink is almost out and I'm about to pour another. Just let it out. The night has just begun, we on a level now. If I get too fucked up, promise you'll hold me down. Yeah, this that shit you can't deny. This that shit you feel inside. It's our life, our time, we living well. Late nights in the city causing hell. Burn this bitch into the ground, oh well. For all we got tonight, let's do this right. Let's do this right. Let's go to paradise. This shit be